AI, or artificial intelligence, has fused into most aspects of our lives. AI is technology simulating human intelligence. Common programs include ChatGPT, Grammarly, and OpenAI. While AI is a useful tool, it is important to note that it can often be incorrect. AI can also be biased, as it is a tool programmed by others. There are also privacy concerns with AI. Whatever information you share may be collected and sold by the system for future use. If you use AI correctly and responsibly, it can be a great tool for you to use as a student. AI should be used as a guide when allowed in your assignments. AI can help you generate ideas and start your research. When requesting information from AI, make sure to be clear, provide context, and provide constraints. Your enter prompt should have a clear goal, such as answer or action. The use of AI should always be cited. For help on citing the use of AI, use the library APA Citation Resources ND2L. AI can help with editing simple mistakes in your assignments, but remember, assisted writing AI programs or submitting your paper to an AI-assisted site prior to submission will flag your paper for AI and plagiarism ND2L. If you need basic writing assistance, Aspen recommends you use Microsoft Editor, which does not trigger an AI flag. AI proficiency will be a valuable career tool for graduates across all of Aspen's programs, and Aspen is here to support you as you navigate learning how to use AI creatively and responsibly. Aspen University is adding information badges within each course. These badges show the extent to which AI can be used on your assignment. The green badge shows that AI use is allowed and encouraged for the assignment. These assignments are made to help develop digital literacy skills. The use of AI should be cited, and AI use will not be flagged for plagiarism. The yellow badge shows that AI can be used for idea generation and inspiration. Any use of AI should be cited. Additional AI assistance is not allowed and will be flagged for your instructor. The red badge shows that AI should not be used for any part of the assignment. Basic tools for grammar checking can still be utilized, but additional AI assistance will be flagged for your instructor. If you have questions about your assignments in real time, reach out to your instructor or your academic advisor for assistance.